ever feel like you're stuck, tired, or like everything is going wrong, it could be a sign that your vibration is low. And when that happens, life can feel heavy. But don't worry, there are simple, powerful ways to shift your energy fast. And today I'm sharing 5 signs that your vibration is low and how you can quickly raise it to get back into the flow. The first is low energy and fatigue. When your vibration is low, you might constantly feel drained and fatigued even if you've had enough rest. It's like carrying around a weight that you can't seem to shake. The second is negative self-talk. Are you stuck in a loop of negative thoughts or self-criticism? That is a sure sign that your vibration is low. These thoughts lower your frequency and keep you in a cycle of doubt and fear. Third, emotional overwhelm. Finding yourself reacting more intensely to situations or feeling easily overwhelmed. Emotions like anger, sadness, or anxiety can indicate that your energetic state needs a lift. Fourth, feeling disconnected from others. If you're feeling isolated or out of sync with the people around you, it might be because your vibration isn't aligning with the energy of connection and community. And fifth, lack of motivation or creativity. When your vibration is low, you may struggle to find motivation or feel blocked creatively. It's as if inspiration has dried up, leaving you feeling stuck. So how do you raise your vibration when you're feeling stuck? Here are 5 quick ways to lift your energy and get back into the flow. Number 1, grounding techniques. Go outside and connect with nature. Walk barefoot on the earth or sit with your back against a tree. Grounding helps realign your energy with the natural rhythm of the earth. Second, breath work. Try simple breathwork exercises to instantly shift your state. Deep conscious breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system and calms your mind. Third, positive affirmations. Speak affirmations out loud like, I am in alignment with my highest vibration. Words have power and affirmations can quickly raise your frequency. 4, movement and dance. Moving your body, whether through yoga, dance, or simple stretching, can help release stagnant energy and uplift your mood. And 5th, sound healing or high frequency music. Listen to high frequency music like 432 Hz or 528 Hz to balance your energy field and elevate your mood instantly. Remember, your vibration is everything. It influences how you feel, how you manifest, and how you connect with the world around you. If you recognize these signs in yourself, take a moment to try these simple techniques and watch how your energy shifts. If this video resonated with you, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more tips for raising your vibration and transforming your life. Love and gratitude to you.